Hello and welcome back to Alba. Today we are giving you a glimpse of the world's largest natural flower garden, Dubai Miracle Garden. Located in Al Barsha South, Dubai Miracle Garden is one of the city's most famous and must visit attractions. This garden features over 150 million flowers arranged in stunning designs and sculptures. This incredible garden is created entirely using natural flowers and holds multiple world records, including the title of the largest natural flower garden on earth. Dubai Miracle Garden is a seasonal attraction and usually opens from October to April each year. The best time to visit is early morning or late afternoon, when the sunlight is soft and perfect for photography. On weekdays, the garden is open from 9 am to 9 pm, while on weekends and public holidays, it stays open until 11 pm, allowing visitors to enjoy the garden under beautiful evening lights. Ticket prices generally range between 70 and 100 dirhams. If you are a UAE resident, don't forget to bring your Emirates ID, as you may get special discount offers or discounts. You will need at least 3 hours to fully explore the entire garden and enjoy its all attractions. Now, let's take a look at the main attractions inside Dubai Miracle Garden. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.